Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a website and want to build anticipation before your full launch, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a coming soon page in WordPress. Quick, easy, and effective. By the end of this guide, your visitors will see a professional coming soon page while you prepare your full site. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. For a faster login, you can select Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate the settings link and click it. This is where all your site management options live. Scroll down within settings until you find WordPress.com site settings. Click on Manage Site to access more detailed options for your website. Here comes the main step. Look for the feature labeled Coming Soon. Once you find it, simply click to activate it. That's it. You now have a coming soon page ready for your visitors. Don't forget to save your changes. This ensures your coming soon page is live immediately. You can always go back and customize it later with your own text, images, or even a countdown timer to make it more engaging. With this feature, your visitors will know something exciting is on the way while keeping your site polished and professional behind the scenes. And that's all there is to it. Your WordPress site now has a sleek coming soon page to build anticipation before your launch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an easy WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.